So this is what I'm going to show you, the technique of how to create this. This is kind of the bottom. You'll see the process and you'll understand a little bit more. This is the bottom page. And then I did this one. And then this was kind of like the, what do you call that? The ghost print. This was kind of the ghost print. I really can't. And these are done on matte photo paper, and I got the 45 pound weight. I think they have a, and 45 pounds. So it works really well, and it takes the paint really well, and you can tell the difference. This one is a piece of copy paper, and then this one is the photo paper. So you can kind of see the difference. I love both of them. You know, definitely can use them both. But I'm going to be using this 45 pound paper. And then I'm going to be using distress oxide sprays and distress sprays, and then a little bit of re-inkers. So, like I said, this is 45 pound this matte photo paper. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our paper, and I need a stencil. And I think I'm going to use this one because I want to use a big one. And what we're going to do is we're going to mist our paper. And like I said, you can use cardstock. It just doesn't come out quite as vibrant, but use what you have. And I'm just going to wet this a little. I am not thrilled with the sprayer. And then I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to wet the other side. All right, I think that's good. And then I have, this is just a bottle of vintage photo ink with some water. And so I'm just going to kind of spritz it just to kind of get the white off of the page. Just like that. I think I can maybe sop up a little bit of this water. May have gone overboard there. That's okay. All right, I'm putting on gloves. I'm going to put down my stencil just like this, and then I'm just going to pick a couple of colors, and I'm just going to spray. So I'm going to use this tea dye. Don't forget to shake them up. So I'm just spraying a little, and then I want something a little darker. So this is walnut stain. Let me move this up just a little bit. I'm just going to spray some of this. Spray as much or as little as you want. Now for the ones that I created, I used Faded Jean Distress, and I'm just going to use a little bit of it on here as well. I don't want much. All right, I'm going to do some of this vintage ink. If I can get it open, there we go. Now what you want to do with this, you don't want to put it in the stencil. You just want to put it a couple of places on the stencil. It's kind of hard to see. So we've got that down, and I'm going to spray again because I want this to kind of move. I have a weird sprayer. That one's not going. Get that one to move a little bit. There we go. So I am going to take another piece of the matte photo paper, and I'm going to lay it on top. And smush it down. I'm going to actually use a roller and roll it and get all of that yummy goodness on here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Oh, that is just lovely. So I'm going to set that down and let it dry. If I can. And then I'm going to take just a piece of regular copy paper and I'm going to kind of sop some more up if I can. Be great to use just as, you know, filler paper or something like that. It's almost like jelly printing, but you're not jelly printing. Okay, I am going to do it again. We're going to do one more. And I think, get this shook up, this is antique linen. So I'm just going to add a little bit of this. It's a little lighter. Add some of the dark. You know what? I think I'm going to add the tea dye. Add some of the tea dye. And then I'm going to add, whoops, it's not, why doesn't that go on that one? I got some lid wrong. I'm going to add some of this saltwater taffy. I mean, why not? I'm just playing around and having a good time talking with you guys. There we go. Awesome. A little more right there. And then, once again, I am just going to, this does not seem to be, there we go. There we go. All right, so let me spray this again. Just to kind of move everything around. There we go. This last one. Come on, there we go. All right, I got to get another piece of paper. I am going to add that right there. And that one didn't, because it's so light, it didn't kind of come out, but you can still see it. And I think that's beautiful. I'm going to put that one right there. I'm going to go ahead and take this one and see if I can get some more. I mean, this is just a great page to use. Let me put this right there. And then you lift up the stencil and you have this gorgeous piece. Is that not beautiful? I love the peak. I think that is just so pretty. I'm going to lay